Grab your copies of Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes below.
I think she's peeing. What did you just do over there, Addie? How you doing today? It's Coach Vigue, my friends, Vogue, but with an I. Right there, right there. Hey, I got a question for you. I've been enjoying starting these workouts with a question. If you've been spending a lot of extra time at home lately, what is a really good book that you're reading right now? A really good book. I'll try to think of something that I'm reading right now, maybe let you know at the end of the workout. Been reading a lot of stuff. Okay, this is a very gentle stretch routine, great for beginners or anybody who wants some stress relief, to do some deep breathing, to renew, to energize, to refocus the mind, and lift the spirits. That's what we like to do here at Sean Vigue Fitness. No matter if it's a really intense workout or something a little lighter, always lifting and elevating everything that we have. And so much of it happens on this beautiful deck. I'd like to give a round of applause for the deck. Okay, very good. That was a silent and mental reception there. And of course, leave your feedback below. Also check in below. Share this video with all your friends and family on your social media. I appreciate that so much, my friends. It keeps the free videos coming along. We're going to breathe in the nose and out the nose. This is very gentle. I wrote right here on the list, on the little note card, it says relax. And not like Frankie Goes to Hollywood relax, but we're really going to relax. Okay, I'm shutting down. Child's pose. Breathe in the nose and out the nose. Bring it back. Relax it down. Let the gravity have its way with you here, sinking you down into a slight inversion to bring some blood to the brain and to really open up your breath. Deep breathing decreases anxiety. It elevates your mood. It feeds your body so much oxygen to the muscles and also to the brain. Very important. Let's take 3 more breaths. And the struggle is real with the brim of your cap also. Good. Relax those armpits down. Your body is occupying the space, the space between your legs. Little variation to stretch the triceps. Once you bend the elbows, palms together. Right here, hands together, sink it down. 3 breaths. Breathe out any confusion, any tension, and let the inhales be soaked up by the body. Drown the muscles in the oxygen. I tell you, that sun better come back out, or you're going to have a really terse Coach Vigue. 1 more breath. Feel the shoulders separating away from each other. Just magical. Slide the hands a little further forward. There it is. That's sun. Vitamin D. Slide it forward, bring the chest down. This is that no man's land between down dog and child's pose. Let's risk it. Let's get nuts. 5 deep breaths, breathing in the nose and out the nose. You can bring that breath in slower and hold it for a couple breaths or a couple seconds. And then gently let it all out. Okay, 1 more breath. Whoa. I think the sign of a really good stretch and a good moment is you really get lost in it. Get taken away. Go to another dimension there for a moment. Let's shake out the arms and the legs. I was tempted to go right into the next stretch, but hey, relax. Go to it. Chill out a little bit. Addie, what are you doing over there? She's staring at the... Addie, get over here. Okay. Now, either sitting cross-legged or sitting on the heels. Either way, we're nice and tall. Our shoulders are back and down. A few little mini shoulder rolls. Mini shoulder rolls, like little mini donuts here. Ooh, mini donuts. That's a story right there. Abridged version, June Dairy Days in West Salem, Wisconsin, back in the 80s, I believe. My sister Kim, she partook in some mini donuts from one of those little trucks, and I think disaster ensued, maybe after going on the scrambler. All right, lace the fingers, open the chest, one of my favorites here. Dropping the hands towards the floor, dropping the shoulders back. Please don't think too much about the scrambler or the tilt-a-whirl. The old June Dairy Days. Drop it back, relax the shoulders, relax the jaw, breathe in the nose and out the nose. It is your job, my friends, it is your responsibility to connect your mind and your body, to keep flowing, to keep moving, to keep taking those deep breaths, to eat healthy, drink lots and lots of water, watch some fun movies, read some good books, and of course, help those around you. Always help in any way you can. Okay. You could shake out the legs or be like me. I'm going to go a little nuts here. I'm going to go right into the cow face. Let me face you for this. Cow face, from June Dairy Days to the cow face. It's a Wisconsin theme today, even though we're in Colorado. Let me mirror you. Take your left hand up. You're going to place it on your upper back. This hand's going to come underneath. Now you can place both hands where you find them settling on your back, or lace the fingers together, or you can have a little towel and hold on to that. Relax the shoulders back and down. We got a big shoulder and chest and stretch also for your breath. I see things in terms of your respiratory abilities, your respiratory efficiency. So we have all these beautiful things happening with your alignment and your posture. And to me, the end target of all of it is opening up the breath, better breathing. Because if you're breathing correctly, breathing into your low abdominals, your sides, your low back, it lifts, it's a rising tide that lifts all boats. So if you're breathing deep into your center, it's going to engage the core and lift your entire body. And you're able to get a much deeper inhale and exhale. So we're not fighting for the breath. We're not fighting and wasting all this energy. We are actually becoming much more efficient, and in the process, we can operate much better. Okay, that's enough. If you want, you can close caption everything I just said, put it on a shirt. In really small font. One more breath. Okay, release. I tell you what, I'm going to shake out those legs for a second. Big cloud coming in. Shake, little hooks here, little twist. Okay, and of course, let's do cow face on the other side. Cross-legged, or sitting on the heels, or with the legs extended out. When you're ready, this side's a little bit tighter, but let's breathe into it. As you exhale, relax the shoulders. Enjoy the writing on my shirt. In the nose, out the nose. That's classic yoga breathing. A big reason for that is the little filters in your nose. You breathe in the nose, filters out the breath. And as you exhale through the nose too, you resist the temptation to really exhale quickly. You take your time, get a nice rhythm. Let those lungs work in a nice rhythmic manner. All right, 2 more breaths. I think I've been speaking too much today. All right. Before we go, I got one more seated stretch there. Before we go to that, shake out the legs. I'm going to go back to child's pose with the option to do a knot, a K-N-O-T. You're going to slide the arms across or take the arms forward like before and relax down. Remember the key word here, the Pee-wee's Playhouse word of the day is relax. Ah! There we go, down. Sorry about that. I didn't plan to bring Pee-wee into this. Ah, Mad Dog. Shoulders down. Relax. Feel those shoulders just blowing up behind you, right back here. Circulation. A well-oiled machine. Okay, switch sides. Other one on top, other one on the bottom, or continue with your child's pose, arms in front. Let's do 3 breaths. Let the breath and the gravity work in conjunction to open you up. Again, the mark of a really good stretch. You just want to stay down there for a long time. Rocking and rolling. All right, shake it out again. You're loose. Free and easy, man. It's all cool. That's right. All right, cross-legged, or again, sitting on the heels. One more variation here. A lot of great upper body work here. The eagle. Right arm forward, left arm underneath. Come around, either fists right here, or if you can, bring the hands together. Reaching the fingers up, the shoulders down, and the elbows forward. Again, that's elbows forward, shoulders down, fingers up. Stretching from all directions, from both sides. Now I can see life clearly. 3 more breaths. Pull that belly button in towards the spine. On the exhale, vacuum out the stomach. Make those breaths, each and every one, as effective as possible. Little breeze today. That comes with the territory. That comes with life on my deck. All right, shake it out. Boom. Left arm, right arm underneath. Engage. Make it so. Ooh, Next Generation would be a good binge watching show if you got a lot of extra time at home. Though one of my best friends, Darren, I don't know why I said it like that. Everyone's go look up Darren now. He likes Next Generation, but he turned me on to Deep Space Nine, especially when Worf started. Very good show. A lot of big storylines there. Fingers up, shoulders down, elbows forward. I definitely grew up more of a Star Wars kind of guy, the original 3 movies. I think I talked about Star Wars quite a bit in my podcast. The influence it's had on me daily, even without even recognizing it, even being aware of the influence. All right, clouds, come on. 1 more breath. Beautiful. Shake it out. Let's finish it off. Little downward facing dog. Wax on, wax off. Actually, take the feet a little wider this time. Wider, then hip width. Your hands are going to go forward. This is too much. Just bring the knees down. Bring them down and press back to child's pose. The magic of the down dog, shifting it back, shifting it back. If I was there with you, I would put my hand on your upper back. And just doing that, when you exhale, you will release down. I do that to my live clients all the time. That's the most I'll touch them, just on the upper back. And it relaxes. You relax this area right here. If it's tense, it's going to sabotage the whole thing, baby. Little side-to-side sway. Let's do 5 more breaths. And savor this inversion, for the blood moves into the head. A lot of oxygen. It releases. It relaxes. Puts things in proper perspective. One more breath. Okay. Cross-legged or sitting again on the heels. Let's counteract that inversion with this little anecdote again. Lace the fingers, open up, and yep, right on time. There's the sun. Here comes the sun. Shoulders back and down. 2 more breaths. How's that feel? Always let me know below when you're done. I mean, do you have any profound adjustments? Any movement here? Something really deep happening, maybe even in your soul, something going on. that has been simmering for years, but now it has finally come out. It's made itself known, whether physical, mental, or spiritual. The sky is the limit, you know? Talk so much about great expectations. I pray that way. I think that way. Great expectations. All right, shake it out, my friends. Wonderful little flow there. Let me know what you thought below. Subscribe. Never miss a workout on this channel. Hit the like button if this helped. Appreciate that. And, what do we mention? What is a really good book you're reading right now? I just read the latest Lee Child book. Is that called Night something? I forget. It was nuts. And I finished his book of short stories. Those are the Jack Reacher books. Our family is a big fan of Jack Reacher. My mom and dad, God bless them, they always enjoyed Jack Reacher. And especially my mom would say she loved when he beat on the bad guys. Just beat on him. He's a little bigger than Tom Cruise. I really like Tom Cruise. I've done a lot of great work with him, but Jack Reacher's about 6'5", ex-military cop, big guy. I envisioned Dolph Lundgren maybe 10 years ago would have been a perfect Jack Reacher, or maybe Russell Crowe a number of years ago, because I think Reacher's around 40. Anyway, and a lot of books I'm reading. I read a lot of Max Lucado books. He's a Christian writer. I enjoy him a lot. And I jump around quite a bit. I've actually been, I pulled out some of my old comic books the other day and reading through those always make me feel good. I think spending all this extra time at home, you're always looking for comfort things too, whether it's food or television or movies or books, things that always take you back to your childhood when you really didn't worry about anything other than getting on your dirt bike and going out and playing all day. So I'll think some more about these books. I've been journaling a lot. I have this big book on classical music that I'm reading. It's amazing the things that interest us. Like I don't like math as much, but I love musical stuff. I love reading about music theory, music history, the different styles of music, romantic, classical, baroque, medieval. Always been a big fan of that. All right, I've said too much. Are you relaxed? Let's breathe. Oh, it's Coach Vigue, my friends. Vogue, but with an I, coming to you from my deck. I'm here for you. Keep coming back. Enjoy yourself. Take deep breaths. Drink lots of water. And don't sneeze on people. Don't do it. A lady at the market the other day. Oh, she sneezed. Oh, man. Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.